Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on the fascinating topic of this course, the art of writing a review article. Writing a review article is a skill that can benefit researchers, professionals, and students alike. It allows you to explore and share knowledge about a specific field of research while summarizing the important developments, trends, and challenges. So let's dive in and learn all about it step by step. So here's the chapter 1 introduction to review article. So what is a review article? A review article is essentially a comprehensive overview of a particular area of research. Think of it as a guide that highlights the key advancements, trends, and challenges within a field. But unlike an original research paper, a review article does not present new experiments or data. Instead, it synthesizes existing studies and provides the readers with a bird's eye view of the topic. For example, if you were to write a review on the evaluation of our renewable energy policies, you wouldn't need to conduct a new study. Instead, you would explore existing research, highlighting the important milestones, patterns, and even gaps in the field. So here's the type of review article. Now let's discuss the different types of review article. These includes the narrative reviews, systematic reviews, and scoping reviews. Each of these has a unique purpose and methodology. So let's break them down one by one. So here's the first one is narrative reviews. Narrative reviews are like storytelling with the word of academia. They provide an overview of a topic, but don't follow strictly methodological rules. They are ideal when you want to summarize the developments in a field without focusing on how you collected the information. For instance, imagine you are writing a narrative review on the history of renewable energy policy. You could describe the significant milestones, such as the adoption of solar energy initiatives, without needing to explain how you selected those studies or sources. These reviews are great for offering a broad perspective, but may not always give a complete or unbiased picture of the research. So here's the second one, that is the systematic reviews. Systematic reviews, on the other hand, are all about the rigor and precision. Uh, they follow a strict methodology to collect and analyze the data from multiple studies. The goal is to answer a specific question as thoroughly and objectively as possible. So, for example, if you were conducting a systematic review on the efficiency of mindfulness based stress reduction technique, you would include a clear methodology for selecting and analyzing the studies. You would then also evaluate those studies methodologically and summarizing their findings in a structured way. These reviews are highly reliable and are often used in evidence based fields like medicine. So here's the third one, that is the scoping reviews. Scoping reviews are perfect for mapping out the big picture in a research field. They identify the key concepts and also highlighting the gaps and suggest the further directions for study. For example, here's the example of this third one, that is the scoping reviews. If you wanted to write a scoping review on the impact of artificial intelligence in public health, you might explore how AI is used in the urban settings, but also identify a gap in its application to rural healthcare. This type of review helps researchers and policymakers to understand what's missing and where to focus the future efforts. So the next thing is the importance and the purpose of review article. So here's the main points of which suggesting the importance and the purpose of review article. Firstly, they save the time. Researchers often don't have the bandwidth to read hundreds of studies, so review articles act as one-stop source of information. And secondly, they highlight emerging the trends and the gaps in knowledge. For example, a review article on AI in public health might reveal the existing new developments while also pointing out the areas that need more attention. Lastly, they provide the valuable context by connecting the dots between the studies. Review articles also helps the readers to understand the broader implications of the researcher in a field. To sum it up, writing a review article is an art that combines the summarization, analysis, and storytelling. Whether you are highlighting the historical developments and evaluating the effectiveness of an approach or mapping out the future research directions, review articles are an invaluable tool for sharing the knowledge. Thank you for watching, and I hope this session helps you to embark on your journey of writing impactful review articles. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments and happy writing.